Okay. Rearranging formulas. I took my break here. We're back. Hard first question. Make y the subject of the formula. Okay, so it's t equals 2 minus 3y over y plus 2. I'm going to multiply by y. I'm going to make it y plus 2 t equals 2 minus 3y. Right. Now what? This is the part I always stop here. It's 4 marks. It's supposed to be hard. It is hard. Okay, what am I gonna do? I could... Okay, so it's gonna be yt plus 2t equals 2 minus 3y. Minus 2 and add 3y and minus 2t. So it's going to be yt minus 3y equals 2 minus 2t. And then yt minus 3 equals 2 minus 2t. And then divide by t minus 3. So y equals 2 minus 2t over t minus 2 minus 2t, t minus 3. Oh, I did something wrong. Oh, yeah. Okay, it's plus 3. That's where my mistake is at. Okay. Make x the subject. Okay, so square root of x plus 1 equals 1 over y. Square that. X plus 1 equals 1 over y squared minus 1. So x equals 1 over y squared minus 1. How many? 3 marks? That's not what I did. That's not what I did at all. Why is what I did incorrect? Okay, I don't understand this. Screenshot it and send it to my teacher. Screenshot. Yeah, I screenshotted it. And math. Can't see. Wait, hold up. Math. Pasted it and it's sent. Okay. I'll solve another one because I couldn't solve that one. Given that n is greater than 0, make n the subject of this formula. Okay, so y n squared equals n squared plus d. So n, yn, equals n squared plus d. No, that makes no sense. What did I do? Let's make n squared a variable like a. So it's y equals a plus d over a. This is y. Okay. It's going to be ya equals a plus d. I'm going to... I don't know. What add it? Does that have to do with the square roots? Divide by a, it's going to be y equals 1 plus d over a. So y minus d over a equals 1. A equals y minus d. I don't know how I got that. It's not the correct answer. Okay. Yn squared. Oh, hold up. That means, yeah, okay. Square root? No, it's not the correct answer still. Okay. We got yn squared. Maybe square root. So it's going to be n square root y equals n plus square root d. Subtract square root d. It's going to be square root y minus square root d over n. Multiply by n. Oh, you multiply this one too. Subtract y. Yeah, so negative square root d over n equals 1 over square root y. And then cross product, n equals y square root y minus square root d. No, something is wrong. Okay, I also can't do this one. That's fun. Screenshot it. And send it to my teacher. Why does it look like that? It doesn't matter, I don't care. Yeah. No. Okay, I'll try a different one. Let's try this one. Make x the subject. Y squared equals x plus 1 over x minus 4. Right. X minus 4 y squared equals x plus 1. Xy squared minus 4y squared equals x plus 1. Xy squared minus x equals 1 plus 4y squared. X equals 1 plus 4y squared over y squared minus 1. I got that one right. Okay, I don't know why I'm getting some right and some wrong. Come back to this. Algebraic proof. Factorize. New piece of paper. Wait, I have some bit here I didn't write in yet. Factorize 2t squared plus 5t plus 2. Factorize? Okay. But I can just use my calculator though. That's stupid. 2x plus 1 times x plus 2. I don't understand. And then, okay. So I have to do the steps I learned in old school. But they're just like so long. Well, this one's not long. It's fine. T is a positive whole number. The expression this can never have a value that is a prime number. Explain why. Because you add 2 at the end. You multiply by 2. T squared, because you multiply t by other values. So they're gonna be... What? I don't understand this. Shows a cross placed on a number grid. Good for you. L is the product of the left and right numbers of what's L? Of the cross. T is the product of the top and bottom. M is the middle. Show that M is 35. L minus T is 99. 30. How many marks is this? Okay. 34 plus 36. 34. Oh, sorry. 34 plus 36 is 70. And then 25 plus 45 is 70. I got 0. So that's funny. It's the product of the left and right numbers of the cross. Do you mean all the numbers on the left and right? That's a whole lot of numbers. 31 plus 32 plus 33 plus 37 plus 38 plus 39 plus 40. It's 250. That's L. 250. And then 5 plus 15 plus 55 is 75. 150 minus 75 is 75. I'm not getting the... Oh, maybe like with the cross. $31 plus 32 plus 33 plus 34 plus 36 plus 37 plus 38 plus 39 plus 40 is 320. 5 plus 15 plus 25 plus 45 plus 55. Okay, so 320 minus this is 175. I don't understand. Oh, product. Wait, it's not the sum, it's the product. Stupid. 34 times 36 is 1224. 25 times 45 is 1225. 1224 minus 1225 is 99. Okay. I didn't do it right though. No, the product. Prove that for any position of the cross on the number grid above, this will be the answer. They told me there was no proving. Are they lying to me? Oh, smart idea, smart idea. Okay. Let's try another algebraic proof. What was this? What did I get wrong? Oh, the prime number one. Okay, proof is always positive. But it's not. Oh wait, it is. Because the square of any number is positive. And then add that number, even if it's negative, will always give you a positive number because the square is bigger than the number itself. What are we talking about? Okay, now we know I have a problem in algebraic proof. Let's write that in our problem sheet. Yes, I have a problem sheet. Here's my problem sheet. I lost my problem sheet. Put it here yesterday. I'm gonna take it. Where's my problem sheet? Should I just write a new one? But I didn't check. I don't remember what I wrote in the old one. Oh, never mind. This is not my problem sheet. That's my past paper sheet. I was looking for that last month. Okay, I'll just how do I start this? Just screenshot it and send it to my mom. Algebraic proof. And send it to my mummy. Got a problem in algebraic. Accidentally. Okay. Solving linear equations. Hard. Solve this. Find x. Okay. By 2. It's gonna be 8x minus 2 plus 5x plus 20 over 10 equals 3. So pretty much all this equals 30. Minus 20 plus 2, it's 12 equals, hold up, 30 minus 20 plus 2 is 12. Let's say plus 5, 13 x. X is 12 divided by 13. Yay. I like these. They're kind of easier. Multiply by 5. I need a new sheet of paper. Didn't I just pull out a new sheet of paper? Just now. It's funny. It already... I'll just pull another one. Pour that. All these sheets of paper. Okay, so 3 times 5 is 15. So it's going to be 15x minus 4 plus x plus 2 equals 6. And then I'm just going to make it 15x minus 60 plus x plus 2 equals 6. Add 60 minus 2, that's 64 equals 16x. 64 divided by 16, that's 4x equals 4. It's 4 marks. That's a lot of marks. I didn't multiply. No, I did something wrong. I didn't multiply the 6 by 5. It's very important. So I did something wrong. Okay, 30. This is also 30. So 30 minus 2 plus 60 is 88. Okay, so 88 divided by 16 is 11 over 2. X is 11 over 2. Yeah, there we go. Okay, solving quadratic equations. These are harder. But I did them a lot last year, so I think I'll be able to do them well. X squared equals 4. Just kind of square root it. Can't I just square root it? Square everything. It'll be x equals... Wait, why do I feel like this is easy? X equals 2x minus 6. X equals 6. Wait, this is too easy. X equals 6 or x equals 2. Why? They expanded everything. I did not. So they got 2 answers, and it's supposed to be 2 answers. I only got 1. Thanks to that. Okay, so let's expand and not try to be all smarty smart. Just take our time. Find the ratio of x to y. What? Why is this only 3 marks? It feels harder. Six x squared equals 7xy plus 20y squared. Find the ratio of x to y. Find x and then find y. Okay, so x equals 6x squared minus 20y squared over 7y. And y equals 6x squared minus 20y squared over 7x. How does that help me? Since I found y and x, maybe I can like substitute them, right? So I found y. Let's find that. 7x 6x squared minus 20y squared over 7x plus 20. This squared, that's a lot. I don't think it's that hard. See, it's not. What? So it pretty much just ignored the variables and then replaced them. When she was done, she just replaced them. That's smart. I'm not supposed to be this bad at quadratic equations. Y equals that, and this is x. Find w and y is 10. So it's going to be root of w plus 1 to the 4th plus 7 w plus 1. Well, to the squared, but like you get that. It's going to be squared. So it's going to be y equals 6 w squared plus 2w plus 1. Right, plus 7w plus 7. Y is going to equal 6w squared plus 12w plus 6 plus 7w plus 7. Y is going to equal 6w squared plus, what's 7 plus 7? 7 plus 12, 7, 8, 9, 19w plus 15 equal 10. Subtract 10, it's going to be 6w squared plus 19w plus 5 equals 0. And now I can factor, right? I think, yeah. It's going to be 6, 19, 5.
Hey guys, can you say hi in chat again? Did she open chat? Did you open chat?
Yes, no one's even watching.
No one's watching?
Yeah, why would anyone watch?
Okay, no one. Can you please like send hi in chat, please, no one? Well, if no one's watching, then why are you doing it?
Because it tracks my time.
What do you mean
God,
tracks your
what's
time?
wrong?
There's something called.
Can you shut up and leave?
There's something called stopwatch.
Can you shut up and leave?
Stopwatch.
Shut up and leave, please.
Stopwatch.
Oh. Okay. It's gonna go down in flames. What two solutions? I'm skipping to simultaneous because I obviously need help in that. Obviously. Anyways, we got this. Oops. Okay, so I think to do this one, I need to find a value for x and then substitute. Not what's it called? I don't remember. It's okay. X squared minus 4y squared equals 9. Find a value for y. So it's gonna be y equals 7 minus 3x over 4. Substitute that in. X squared minus 4 and then y squared, which is a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. A squared is 49 minus 2ab. What is, I don't know what 7 times 3 is. Times 2, 42 x plus 9 x squared over what's 4 squared, 16 equals 9. Multiply all of this by 4. Wait, can I? 9 is not divisible by 16. X squared minus 49 6, 8 x plus 1. 49 times 4, 196. 9 times 4, 36 squared over 16 equals 9. Okay. Is 36 divisible by 16? No, it is not. But we can simplify and make it 4. That's nice. Okay, I think I'm simplifying. 168 divided by 16. Okay, so here is 42x 196 divided by 16, 49. It's gonna go down in flames. Over 4. All of this Oh, multiply by 4 now. So we've got 4x squared minus 49 plus 42x minus 9x squared equals 36. Simplify everything. Negative 5x squared plus 42x minus 49 plus 36 is 85, and then make it into positive, so 5x squared minus 42x plus 85 equals 0. Now we can factorize 5, negative 42, and 85. 5, okay, so 5x minus 17 times x minus 5. Okay, got that. So x equals 17 over 5, or 5. Found x, now find y using your first equation, which is 3x, I might set it to 17 divided by 5 times 3, 7 minus that, divided by 4, it's negative 4 over 5. And then the second one is 5 times 3, 7 minus that, divided by 4, negative 2. 17 over 5 and 5. Okay, we got that. It's great. This one was a 5-mark question. That's a lot. It's enough because they're long as heck. Forming and solving equations. I don't want to do this anymore. To go get something to eat. Maybe I should. Diagram not accurately drawn. ABCD is a square with a side length of 4x. M is the midpoint. M is the midpoint of DC. N is a point on AD where ND is x. BMN is a right angled triangle. Find an expression in terms of x for the area of the triangle BMN. I'm sorry, what? Oh, okay. X and 2x. Hold up. X squared plus 2x squared square root. So it's going to be x squared plus 4x squared, which is 5x squared square root. So it's going to be x square root 5, right? And then the other one is going to be 4x squared entirely. It's going to be 16x squared plus 4x squared root, so 20x squared. Is there a root for 20? I didn't think. Yeah, 2 root 5. It's going to be 2x root 5. Okay. And then it's these two times multiplied by each other. X root 5 times 2x root 5 is going to be 5 times 2 is 10x squared. 10x squared, half of it, so it's going to be 5x squared. That's the area. How many? 4 marks. Let me find the answer. It's 5x squared. I got it right. That's good. Okay. A sphere has this radius. Wait, didn't we solve this? I think we solved this. Did we get it right? I don't think we got it right though. Did we? We did not get this right, but we did try to solve it. Okay, let's try to solve it again. Maybe we'll get it right this time. This time it didn't give me the sphere and cone. 1/3 pi r squared. H. Right. They're equal to each other. But the r's are different. It's 2x and 3x. So 4 out of 3 pi 8 rx cubed equals 1 out of 3 pi 9h. And we multiplied the 4 out of 3 with the pi and the 8. We got 32 out of 3 pi x cubed equals 1/3 divided by 3 times 9. It's 3 pi x squared h. So if you multiply by 3, you get 32 pi x cubed equals 9 pi x squared h. Okay, now we can divide all of this. It's going to be 32x over 9 equals h. And the radius is 3x. 3x. So multiply by 9. It's going to be 3x to 32 over 9x. Multiply. So you cancel out the x's. Multiply by 9. It's 27 to 32. I got that. Was 27 to 32. Okay, I got that this time. It's good. Let's try this one. Oh my god, lots of numbers. It's only 3 marks though. ABCD and CE is a rectangle. CED is an equilateral triangle. AB is this many. BC is this many. The parameter of ABCED is this many. The area of ABCD is R. Show that R is this many. Okay, so we just find the area of everything. If it's an equilateral triangle, the height. Okay, I took this as like my old school as equations that we had to memorize, but I didn't memorize it because I hate memorizing. I didn't memorize the timetables, so I'm just gonna have to figure it out myself. Just draw this real quick. This is y, this is x, this is x, this is x, this is x, this is y. We've named everything. This is half of x. It's like this bit and this bit. This is half of x. Half x, half x. And then I need to find the height. So it's half x squared plus half x squared plus the one I want to find, I'll call it h squared equals x squared. So h equals square root of x squared minus 1 x squared over 4. So it's 3 over 4 x squared. Square root. It's square root of 3 over 2 x equals h. Right, okay. And if I've got that, find the area, it's half the base times height, which is x and whatever this is. So it's going to be 1/3, square root 1/3 of the 2x over 2, so over 4. Okay, that's the first area. It's the first area. It's a triangle area. And then the area of ABCED, the rest is yx. So multiply these two together. Square root 3x over 4yx. Square root 3 yx squared over 4. I don't get the same answer. I don't like that. It's only 3 marks. Okay. Here there's no y, so I need to find y now. In terms of x, it's okay. I found the area in terms of x and y. The parameter, this is where you use the parameter. Okay, got that. 100 is 2y and 3x. So, y equals 100 minus 3x over 2. I'll put that in here. It's going to be square root x squared square root 3 times 100 minus 3x. It's going to be 100 x squared root 3 minus 3x cubic root 3. Well, this stuff's over 2. Over 2, and then over 4. It's over 8. Divide by 8. Wait, what? Oh, it's just 8. It's gonna be 1,100x squared root minus 3x cubic root 3 over 8. My logic. Go. She didn't simplify. How did she multiply by 2, multiply by 4? Okay, I did bad. This is 3, that's not a lot. I'm gonna skip this. Arithmetic series has a first term and a common difference. Sum of the first two n terms is 4 times the sum of the first n terms of the series. All I remember is the sum equals the initial plus n minus 1, the difference. Sum of n. Now this is n, straight up, right? This is the nth term. Didn't they give me this in my cheat sheet? Right, let me get the cheat sheet. Here's the cheat sheet. And then the sum of the terms is n over 2, 2a plus n minus 1 d. Bro, I didn't understand what I'm doing. How about nth? Did I write the equation right? Nth term of a sequence a of n is the first plus n minus 1 d. Okay, that's what I wrote. Just read the parentheses in the wrong spot. Okay, so now I've got both equations, and I don't know which one I need. So the n term, the 2n, this is n, and then 2n is equal to 4 sum of n. And the sum of n two n gives you 4 sum of n, and n gives you sum of n. What? 2n. Wow. Try a different one. The third term of an arithmetic series, a, is 19. The sum of the first 10 terms is this. Find the 10th term. Okay, I can do this. 19 equals A. I need new paper. Oh wait, I'll just start here. 19 equals A plus 3 minus 1 D. So 2D. So 19 equals, so A equals, no, so yeah, negative A equals 2D minus 19. But then A equals 19 minus 2D. Okay, so we've got A. In relation to D. The sum of the first 10 terms is this. We said the sum, the 290 equals n, which is 10, so 5, 2a, which is this, we just found out, 2, 19 minus 2d, plus n, which is 10 minus, it's 9d. Right, and difference. Okay, and then what's 290 divided by 5? 290 divided by 5 is 58. So 58 equals 2 times 19 is 38 minus 40 plus 9d, which is plus 5d. Right, so 58 minus 38 divided by 5. The d is 4. Difference is 4. D equals 4. Find the initial. 4 times 2 and then 19 minus the answer 11. Check by doing 3 minus 2 times 4 plus 11. It's 15. Now we did something wrong. It's 3 minus 1 times 4 plus 11. No, I didn't. It's fine. I typed it wrong in the calculator. The initial. What's the initial? Is 11. Initial is 11. What's the 10th term? Initial is 11. 10th, so 9 times 4 plus 11. It's 47. 47. Yay! Got that right. Whoa! The 25th term of an arithmetic series is this. The sum of the first 30 terms is this. We just did the same idea. I'm going to do this later. Let's do functions. Very hard. Oh wow, they are very, very big. State the value of k. Oh my god. Okay. It's okay. We can do this. I'm gonna factor the bottom using my calculator. I mean, it's 2 marks, so I can use calculator. Don't need to write all the steps. It's 2, 5, negative 3. And I'm gonna get 2x minus 1 times x plus 3. And then I'm gonna factor the top, which is gonna be x and x plus 3. Cancel them both. It's gonna be 2. K is 2. Okay, that's easier than I expected. That's nice. Find the inverse function. I hate inverse functions. They are so hard. Hold on. Okay. So it's gonna be x equals y over 2y minus 1. And make y on its own. It's gonna be 2yx minus x equals y. It's gonna be 2yx minus y equals x. Y? No, hold up, what did I do? The y? No. Yeah. Hold up. Y? Yx minus 1 equals x. Gaia.
If anybody is watching, please send hi in the chats. Please.
Okay. Functions, we'll do 18. C and D are constants, work out D. F of x, g of x, and f of g of x. So let's find f of g of x ourselves. So 2 cx plus 5 plus c. 2 cx plus 5 plus 10 plus c equals 6x plus d. Hold up. So I feel like C is 3 and D is 13. I don't know why. Wow. Okay. Do this one. Sine. For values of x, f of x is sine x. So it's a sine wave. And then g of x is x plus 90. Draw the graph of the composition of f of x. So shift it left 90 degrees. So it's going to be a cosine wave, essentially. Yeah, it's a cosine wave. To tell you I'm insane. Work out the value of f of inverse function. Okay, so this is 5 marks. I can kind of see why. We're gonna need to find first the inverse function. So we're gonna make it x equals 2y over 5 minus 1. Find y. Multiply by 5, so 5x plus 5 over 2 equals y. Found that. That's the inverse function. Equals f inverse of x. So we're going to find this one for x equals 3. So it's 15 plus 5. It's 20 over 2 equals 10. Plus the normal one for negative 0.5. So it's negative 1 over 5 minus 1. Negative 0.5 times 2 divided by 5 minus 1. It's negative 1.2. So 10 plus the answer is 8.8. Yay! Okay, I think that's enough functions. Coordinate geometry. Someone's screaming in there. The straight line and this curve intersect at these 2 points. Find the coordinates of the midpoint of these 2 points in strictly algebraic working. 6 marks. I think I solved something like this before. So let's find y for both. So the straight line is y equals x minus 3. And then this other one, oh, why do they do this to me? I'd just find y as well. I guess I'm not gonna keep trying for this. Y equals 9 minus 3x squared plus y squared all over x. Now these two, the x's, should be equal, right? Squared minus 3x. Add y squared equals 4x squared minus 3x minus 9. Now, this equals x minus 3 squared. So it's going to be x squared minus 6x plus 9. Solve this one now. 3x squared plus 3x minus 18 equals 0. Yeah. Is 18 divisible by 3? It is. It's 6, right? Okay. So x squared plus x minus 6 equals 0. Factor that. Factor it. That's 1, negative 6. X minus 2 times x plus 3 equals 0. So x equals 2 or x equals 3. And then put it back into the first equation for y. Y equals, what was y? Y equals x minus 3. Y equals negative 1 or y equals 0. Oh, and then, okay, we don't stop here. We're looking for the midpoint. Midpoint equation is x1 plus x2 over 2, y1 plus y2 over 2. So 2 plus 3, 2 plus 3 divided 2, 2.5, 2.5, comma, negative 1 plus 0, so it's negative 0.5. That's your midpoint. Negative 0, I did not get that right. Why did I not get that right? Why are they finding y first? Negative 3. Oh yeah, it's negative 3. Sorry, my bad. It's negative 3. But my y coordinate is also off. Oh yeah. Okay, negative 3 minus 3 is negative 6. My bad, guys. I'm sorry. Okay, so 2. It's negative 1. It's negative 0.5. 0.5, comma, negative 3.5. Got that. Okay. So I have to focus on my signs. Prove with this equation, and this straight line intersects at these 2 points. Work out the exact length of these 2 points. Show you're working clearly and give your answer in this form when a is an integer. Alright. Let's open. I need a new piece of paper. Here's this one. Oh! This is my I need help. Okay, I'm keep this one. I'll take another paper. I'll just use this one. A curve. Okay, find out points A, B first. And we said we're gonna make it either into like equal something, right? Let's make them both equal x. X equals -4 plus y. And then x equals x squared plus y squared minus 10. -4 plus y equals x squared plus y squared minus 10. Find y and place it in there. Y equals x plus 4. So if you substitute y, -4, x equals x squared plus 2. No, it's not 2, it's 8x plus 16 minus 10. X 0 equals 2x squared plus 7x plus 6. Factor that. 2, 7, 6. 2x plus 3 times x plus 2. Sorry. They're both negative, yeah. So x equals -3/2 or x equals -2. We found x, now find y. X plus 4. So -3 divided by 2 plus 4 is 5/2 or 2. We need the length, so we're using the distance formula, which is square root of x2 minus x1 plus y2 minus y1. 5 divided by 2 plus 3/2 is 4 plus 2 minus 2, which is 4. It's 8. Square root of 8. Sorry, square root of 8 is 2 root of 2. 2 root of 2 over 2. 2 root of 2. It's 2 root of 2. It's going to be 4 root of 2. 4 root of 2 if it's going to be over 2, right? And then 4 squared, 16 times 2, root of 32. Root 2 over 2. How does that work? I did something wrong. Oh, this is the y's. Sorry. Oh my god. Okay, y2 is 2 minus y1, which is 5/2. Gives you -1.5. Square that, and I forgot to square as well. Okay, that's 0.25. 0.25. -2 plus 3/2. Square that, it's 1/4 plus 0.25, which is 1/4, so it's 1/2. Square root of 1/2 is root 2/2. So it's just root 2. Okay, so just focus. I need focus. I'm gonna skip sum of these. And I'm going to go straight to vectors. Very hard vector questions. OACB is a parallelogram of ACB. OA is A, and AB is B. Wow. D is a point such that AC is equal to CD. The point N divides AB in this ratio. Write an expression for ON. ON. AB is B minus A. And AN is 2 out of 3B minus 2 out of 3A. That's AN. So all of this, AN, is this plus A. Plus A. 2 divided by 3 plus 1 is 5 out of 3. 2 divided by 3 plus 1 is 1 out of 3. So it's 1 out of 3A. 2 out of 3B minus 1 out of 3A. 2 out of 3B plus 1 out of 3A. Sorry, plus 1 out of 3A. Prove that OND is a straight line. OND and you want me to prove that?
Right, I hope we recognise this as a vectors question. Certainly looking down in the blurb here, OA is D is a straight line. Now, in order to prove that something is a straight line, what we have to do is we have to show, so we need to show that, this is another way of saying this, show that the vector OD is parallel to ON. Because if those two vectors are parallel, since O is a common point, let's just do this on the diagram, if the vector OD, which is that one, is parallel to ON, which is that one, and then they're in the same direction, they both start at O, and so O and D must be a straight line. So that's the idea. Right, let's have a go. Well, we just found ON, haven't we? So we'll come back to that in a minute. Let's find OD. Right, so let's find OD. Now, in the usual sort of way, we're going to do it by going along things we know. Well, this one's a bit easier, actually, because to get from O to D, the best thing to do is to go from O to A, and then all the way along here from A to D. And we can see what A to D is very quickly. So O to A plus A to D, and that is A plus, well, A to D is 2B, isn't it? Because there are two B's there. So that's O to D. Now, how is that parallel to ON? Well, let's have a look at ON. That was 2/3 of B plus 1/3 of A. And if we take out a factor of a third, we see that that's 1/3 of 2b, because that's 2/3 of b, plus 1/3 of a. And we've taken out a factor of a third. And that is 1/3 of OD. And if one vector, ON, is a multiple of another vector, OD, we can say, so ON is parallel to OD. I've used a little bit of notation there. And so we can say that OND is a straight line. And I've run out.
Wow.